I tell you, after 114 episodes, I think this is going to be the shortest video I've ever done. Hi everybody and welcome to another exciting edition of Boring JavaScript. I'm your host, the Virtuoid, aka Mike Smith, and today we're taking a look at the of method on arrays. Now the of method on arrays takes a series of arguments and converts those arguments to an array. And that's it. I mean, I don't even have any graphics for it or anything. You want to see how it works? Let's get started. Now, as I said in the introduction, the of method on arrays takes a series of arguments and turns it into an array, and that's basically all it is. For example, on line 1 here, this is what the Array.of method looks like. And what it will do is it'll take a series of arguments. In this case, I've got 9 arguments: cat, dog, horse, cow, coyote, roadrunner, dolphin, whale, and lizard. And it will convert those into an array so that my animals then contains an array that begins with cat and ends with lizard. That's it. Let's take a look at it. Let's see how it works. Let's go into Node and let's type in node of. And there you are. My animals are cat, dog, horse, cow, coyote, roadrunner, dolphin, whale, and lizard. So as you can tell here, it has converted those individual arguments into an array. Now, does it have to be just strings? No, it could be pretty much any arguments. For instance, let's take a look at this code. And through the magic of television, I have some new code here. I still have the same Array.of method, but now my arguments is a series of different objects. Each object's having, type and name. So when I do the Array.of method on these arguments, I should expect my new animals now to contain an array of these particular arguments. Let's see how that works. Let's go back into Node. Let's clear off our screen and go to node of. Yep, there we are. Now all of my arguments have been put into an array. Now, third question, does they all have to be the same type? So my first example, I had all strings. My second example here, I had all objects. No, the arguments could be absolutely anything. Let's take a look at that code. And through the magic of television, here we are again. Now I have an array of, let's see, a boolean, a number, a string, null, a symbol, a function, undefined, an object, and a big int, basically all the different data types for JavaScript. Well, except for function. Function is technically not a data type, but I'm not going to worry about that. Anyway, so as you can tell here, I've got a bunch of different arguments. Doesn't matter. Array.of will still convert it all into an array. So let's see how that works. Let's go into Node. Let's clear off of our screen and type in node of. Yeah, my weird animals are, there's true, there's one, there's cat, there's null, there's symbol, there's my function, there's undefined, there's my type, and there's my big int. And that's it. That's basically all there is to the Array.of. So you're probably asking yourself, what's the difference between this and just using array.push, .push, 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 and all that? Well, depending upon your application, this may be a more convenient method to be able to very quickly load up an array than having to go through and just do a whole bunch of different push statements. And that's all there is to the of method on arrays. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hope I didn't bore you to death. Please make sure you click on the like button below and click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Also, you can go to www.BoringJavaScript.com to see everything that we've done. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you later.